Giant foot weekend getaway. Africa map. The prayer stone. Umbrella rock. Wishing stone. The stone that can make you give birth. The three palm trees palm tree. The male and female thin Ghana OK hand sign.
Almost like 1 hour walk. Your boy is already tired. He don't want to even show face, He's tired of walking. And it's too much, Keep walking.
Two hours walk no be small.
Ellie, yes.
So here's baby coming. Baby, give me 2. Alright, I said, just give me that 2. And Yai, and father the part is coming. Charlie, this walk wasn't easy, you guys. You just have to try it. Just visit Ghana and just try this walk. It's not easy. We keep walking for like 3 good hours. Try this. You're gonna love it.